Good day and welcome back to the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system basics. And in this video we will continue with the topics working with the taskbar, and specifically we will also look at some personalizing your desktop topics. So we will talk about the date, the time, the volume, and some other things you can still find on the taskbar. And we will look at how you can create folders on your desktop. Folders are mainly used for storing files, and you can also learn how to create shortcuts. So now we see our desktop environment still open, and one of the things we were talking about in the past video is the taskbar, which is located here, where you have a number of programs and icons on it, and also there are other things like your date and time, the volume. Here you can also see like if you're wirelessly connected to the internet, and you can also check your battery status and some other things here. So let's assume you want to change your time. Let's say you are in a time zone and your computer is not showing the right time and the zone. So what you do is come to this part and you right click. So I'm going to right click, and then I go to adjust date and time, and I can go to date and time, and here what I see is I can set my time automatically, which means the time on my computer uses the internet, and that is if my computer is connected to the internet, and automatically updates itself, and that will also automatically update the date. And so that's why here I set it automatically, otherwise I have to be doing it manually. Also, what you can do is, for example, you can set the time zone. For example, I'm in the Netherlands, which means I have to set my time zone to Amsterdam, which is here. So I will increase this window so that we can see a little bit more. So, but you see that my automatic setting is switched off, which means I have to do it myself if something goes wrong. So I can either come here, click, and select the time zone. So let's say for those who are in Brussels, or maybe somewhere in Nairobi, you can simply set it. So if I set this to Nairobi time, so you notice that this changed, right? So it is now almost 7:45 p.m. in Nairobi. Then if I go back and I go to Amsterdam, which is my own time zone, now it's 5:45 p.m. here, and that's how you can change it. And so basically I can also do set time zone automatically, and this goes offline, which means it can automatically change the moment I connect it to a network in another time zone. And that's how you can set your date and time. And when you're done, you simply close the window. You can also, by the way, change your region if you want, which country, by clicking on it and choosing that. But we're not going to go deep dive into this. So, but now you know the area to go to make some changes. I will close this window, and then I'll continue with the volume part. So here you have the volume. I can click on it. Now it says my speaker is up to 100. I can decrease it by clicking anywhere on this line, for example. So you hear the sound saying something changed, and I can increase it. And that's basically how you change your date and time. And with this we will finish or stop the video here, and in the next video we will continue on the next two items. Thank you very much.